Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best adjustable roller skate shoes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Chicago Skate Sidewalk Roller for boys. With a cool and stylish design, this black adjustable roller skate shoe is once again from Chicago Skates. And it is everything that you can look for and get in a skate shoe, making it purchase-worthy. The premium quality wheels of these skates are strong and sturdy, because of which it can be used both indoors and outdoors. The comfort level of this skate roller is super good with maximum padding and chassis wheel suspension. It has a toe top for safe stop during emergency and Velcro strap for tightness adjusting. It is super lightweight and durable. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Chicago Skate Sidewalk Roller for Kid. This cute-looking adjustable roller skate shoe is designed and made by Chicago Skates, and targeted specifically towards young kids who start skating. It is made with nylon material for the upper shoe part and completely manufactured in America. The skates are made with premium quality materials to ensure its durability. The comfort level on these skate shoes is next level with ease of use and cleaning. It has inner padding to ease the pressure on the skater's legs. The wheels are stable and smooth for maximum balancing and skating, along with being completely size adjustable. At number 3, we have the roller derby Firestar skates. With a sporty-looking design, this adjustable roller skate shoe is from the brand Roller Derby. This skate is particularly made and targeted at boys, and can be used by beginners since it focuses much on safety and balance more than anything. It also has very good manufacturing quality to ensure its durability and comfort. Additionally, it can be size adjusted with Velcro, and its sports shoe design appeals very well visually. It is lightweight and very cushiony because of the synthetic materials used. On top of all this, these skate shoes are super affordable, making it impossible to not buy them. At number 2, we have the Chicago Skate Shoes for Girls. These simple and classic-looking roller skate shoes are designed and manufactured by Chicago Skates, and are specially made for girls. Despite the good build quality, it is very affordable and can be used by young beginners. Because of the toe stop, it is extremely safe and stable to be used both indoors and outdoors. It is also very lightweight, making it easy to use and manage. The wheels are oversized for the stability and balance of the skater, with suspensions below the chassis to eliminate vibrations from the surface. The skating experience is super smooth. And finally, at number 1, we have the Roller Derby skate shoes for women. With a simple but cushiony design and manufacturing, these roller skate shoes are made by Roller Derby. It is made with the best build quality to withstand pressure and hit from almost all directions. These skate shoes can be used both indoors and outdoors according to their needs. Easy to use and clean, along with being super comfortable to wear and skate. The wheels are made with stability and safety in mind. It comes in multiple colors and combinations to pick from during the time of purchase. Also has cushions from chassis for suspension and smooth skating. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.